All right, welcome back to the channel. We got the car in the garage today. We've already taken the heads off, put the new lifters back in, and now we're in the process of torquing down the rocker arms. We just put the new push rods in. Hopefully everything's gonna be good so far. It seems pretty good. Everything seems within spec. So we're gonna finish torquing them up for the second go around, and then we're gonna bump it on the starter, see how it sounds, make sure everything sounds good, and then I guess we'll finish throwing it together and start it up. So let's jump into it. All right, we're gonna bump it on the starter real quick, make sure everything sounds good. All of our oil pressure, I wonder if I'm gonna have a lot of oil shoot up in my face.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
I guess
I won't hit it too much.
I'm gonna stand to the side. You're good whenever. Keep going. Alright.
Spark it all out?
No, not yet.
No, okay.
We'll look at this side. Alright. Yep, this one's not doing anything.
Oh,
Frick. So that's what happens when you don't have lifter trays in, and you can't tell if you put it in the lifter or not. So we're gonna fix that, and hopefully it didn't frick anything up. All right, so we actually had two rockers that weren't hitting, this one and this one. So we've got those both in the lifters, and hopefully we'll see every single rocker moving on this side now. Alrighty. Well, everything looks good, everything sounds good. I don't hear any major noises. It sounded fine on the starter, that just sounded. It didn't sound like it was missing a cylinder.
It sounded good, but
Turn it over one more time. We'll be just to be sure. Let it turn over for a little bit. We'll see if we hear a dead cylinder.
I'll hold it. Sounds real consistent.
It sounds good to me. So, I guess it's time to throw the valve covers on, throw the exhaust on, and button up the rest of the motor, and then we'll pull it out and start it. Make sure everything sounds good. I'll be glad to actually have good lifters in this thing and not just knock off LS7 lifters.
And then they're just gonna drop and
Screw up a camshaft. So we're gonna finish buttoning it back up, and we'll see you in a second. Well, we got everything back together. The car is filled with fluids, so we should be good to start it up and top it off as it runs, if it runs. So whenever you're ready, Jordan, we'll fire it up here in a minute and see how it sounds. Put it on the chip.
Put it on the tip?
Yeah.
Just fire it up straight on the tip.
Yeah, just
Tell me that.
don't do that. Hell yeah. Start it right up. Need a little bit of coolant, so we're gonna top it off and let it run. All right, so it's a new day. The car seems to be running great, so we're gonna load it up on the trailer real quick, and then we're gonna head to the dyno and see what it does with this new cam. Cold start, see what happens. Time to wake up, Victoria. Start it right up. Well, so far it's picked up about 30 or 40 horsepower from where it was with the last cam, so we're getting ready to spray it with 200 shot and see what it does now. I imagine we'll have to add a little bit more timing because this cam should take it, so we'll see what it gets up to. I'm hoping for around 420. I guess we'll find out though. Try it again and see what it does now. It's already picked up though, so let's see what it does full pull. power. So we're a little bit over 400 now. That was with 2 degrees of timing in it. That was 2 extra. So I think he's gonna add a little bit more and we'll see what he gets up to. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've brought the truck and the car out to Tour Destruction. So the last clip you've seen was of us at the dyno. Now we're here. We're gonna test out the cars and the truck. We're gonna test out the car and the truck and see how it does. So we're gonna go ahead and unload it real quick, make sure it's running right. It should, considering it just came from the dyno.
It drove here. So, all that. Yeah, okay.
Well, we're gonna unload it, start it up, see how it does.
Giving people rides on the monster truck out here. Go ahead and fire this thing up, Andrew. Oh yeah. Then back her off the trailer. Go ahead and pull her on over there to the side. Getting this thing, fire it up. Let's see about how this thing's gonna go here. Starts up every time. Heck yeah. There it is. No. Oh man.
Well, it's go time. Turn on the nitrous, we're gonna put the trunk on, and we're gonna go line up. Jordan's gonna be going first, so we'll see how good the truck does on its maiden voyage. You ready, Jordan?
Yeah, we're ready. Let's go get this trunk on.
Hell yeah, let's get her done.
Water says who's ready for burnout competition? All right, boys, count down from 10, 9, 8, 7.
still did it.
Hell yeah, you turn.
Now you want to see a spectacle. Watch this live. 4 Crown Dig get over here. Y'all can check it out on YouTube. These guys are wild. These guys are crazy. We just pulled it down. We pulled it down here. We're going to count it down. And all your nice friends, let's get it. 10, 9,
Wreckage. All sorts of rubber and wire out here, fellas. That was awesome. I expected those tires to last just a little bit longer though, but they didn't. But it's all good. Tomorrow night will be better. Alright, so we got some tires shredded here. I didn't realize it, but I didn't technically pop this one. I definitely popped the tread off. She wasn't popping, but yeah. How was it, Andrew? I heard the nitrous that time.
I didn't even hit it.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, I thought I heard it. I guess that was just you hitting the power band. Yeah.
It finally just, like, it wasn't revving out, and then it finally just revved out, and I'm like, okay.
Oh, hell. Well, shoot, man. That was sick, though. I mean, that was...
We both got our rips in for the night. Jordan got his first burnout in the white truck. It did good.
Yeah, man. It really did good. I lost my phone. I don't know where it's at, but I'll look over there in a second. Yeah, I just hopped out and went to go record you.
Frick. You did lose it, didn't you?
Yeah, it's all good.
Frick. I hope I didn't run over it.
Here.
Hey, we got to stay here.
I'm getting over here.
Oh, you think it's still in the truck? I hope it's in the truck.
It is.
Hell yeah.
Quit recording.
Did it?
Yeah.
That's all right. We got recording. Well, hell yeah. Well, I guess we're gonna get packed up and we'll get back with you.
I had to shift a couple times. So I had to get
You said you had to shift a couple times?
Yeah, like I went to second starting out, but then it wouldn't hold second.
Really?
So then I put it, then it started getting on the limiter in second.
Hell yeah, I heard it. I was like, yeah. Well, it's the next day. We're getting the new tires put on the car. Gonna head back out toward destruction here in a couple hours and then let it rip again. But that's the end of this video. We hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.